Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to embed a form into your website using Typeform. We have the link to Typeform in the description so you can get a head start right after this video. Now the website we'll be using is framer.com. If we want to add our Typeform form to our Framer website, all we need to do is to go over to the Typeform website. So right here on Typeform we have our form. We have some forms here and we're going to be using form 1. So here we're going to go over to the top where we have the share icon. If you don't have the share icon, make sure that your form is published. If it's not published, you will not have the share option right there. So once you do, click on share. Great. So we have some options for sharing. You could share the link, embed in an email, embed in a web page, or get targeted respondents. We're going to choose share the link. And right here we have copy link. We're going to choose copy link. And this basically copies the link. Now we're going to go over to our website, which is the Framer website. And then this is where we want to put our Typeform. So in order to do this, we're going to go over to the top left corner, click on the plus icon there. That stands for insert. So once we get here, we can go over to embed. Click on embed. And then you have your embedded frame ready. On the right side, you're going to go down to where you have embed. It's going to be in URL. Make sure you're there. Click in the URL area, paste what you copied, click away from it, and this basically tells it to load the form. As you can see right here, it's currently loading the Typeform. And as you would have it, you're seeing something similar to what we have on our Typeform. Great. So what we're going to do now is to zoom out a little bit using the Control key and the scroll button on our mouse. Then we're going to use the pan tool to hold it and drag it so we can look for an area in our website where we'd like to have the form. So this is a form and we're going to change to the selecting tool and say we want to put it somewhere. We're going to take it over to just beneath the initial part of the website, and once it's there at the bottom, we can let it go. As you can see, this will be a form right here. You can see that it's not looking in the best form, so we're going to have to adjust it a little bit. So you can see registration form here. It might not be the best location, but we're just basically showing you how to embed it to your website. And then you could go ahead and put it in a location that best fits your design preferences. So now we just basically dragged and dropped the embedded Typeform form right here on our Framer website. So once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click in publish, click in update. And this is important, especially if you already published your website. Now that it's published, let's go ahead and check the results. We've clicked on the link to the website and we're going to scroll down and there you have it, your Typeform currently loading. Great, so we have our registration form where we have the first name, last name, etc. And this is how you can embed your form in your website using Typeform. Don't forget to check out the link in the description so you can go ahead and use Typeform to insert your form into your website, in this case, the Framer website builder. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.